Hey there, budget buddies. If you're tired of spreadsheets and want a simple way to manage your finances on your desktop, Goodbudget is your new best friend. It's a fantastic app based on the envelope budgeting system, helping you allocate money to different categories like groceries, rent, or fun money. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of using Goodbudget on your computer, step by step, so you can get started right away. First things first, head over to the Goodbudget website. You'll find a big Download for Desktop button. Click that and follow the prompts to install the app on your Windows or Mac computer. Once it's downloaded, open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Now that you're logged in, let's set up your envelopes. These are like digital wallets for each spending category. Click on the Envelopes tab, and you'll see options to add new ones. For example, create an envelope for dining out and set a monthly limit based on your budget. Goodbudget makes it easy to customize these to fit your lifestyle. Next, it's time to add transactions. Go to the Transactions section and click Add Transaction. Enter details like the amount, category, and whether it's an income or expense. The app will automatically deduct from your envelopes, so you'll see at a glance if you're over budget. Super helpful for avoiding overspending. Don't forget to check your reports for a big picture view. Goodbudget has built-in reports that show your spending trends, envelope balances, and even net worth. This is great for tracking progress and making adjustments. One tip: sync your data regularly if you're using the mobile app too, to keep everything up to date. And there you have it. You're now a pro at using Goodbudget on desktop. Give it a try and watch your financial habits improve. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.